Great, welcome back. We're going to be continuing on with our band tune that we've been working on in the Standard of Excellence book. Our Standard of Excellence. And it's book 1, page 19, and it's number 81, Frere, Jacques. Right here. Okay? So, we take a look at that, and you'll notice it says around. That's the way it's played. And if you'll notice, there are numbers up here that say 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there could be 4 groups of instruments that are actually playing this. When we actually put this together, number 1 starts, and then when we get to this, the third measure, the second group starts at the beginning, but they start when the first group gets here. And then the third group starts when the first group gets over here. So it layers and it adds some harmonies. It's kind of interesting. We'll get to that. We'll just go over the basic notes for right now. For saxophones, Frere Jacques starts on a G. That's the 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. And we go G. If you look at that first measure, it's G, A, and B, and then back to G. And we want to make sure we're tonguing, saying ta for each of the notes. And if you'll notice, the next measure has this funny sort of symbol right there. And that, right there. And that means that we're going to repeat the measure before it. So basically, you play that first measure here, and you play the same thing in that measure with the little funny lines and dots there. Okay, that's what that means, and that appears a couple times in this. So we start with the G, A, B, G, and then we play it again. And then where it says number 2, we're going to play B, C, and D. And then we have that same symbol to repeat. And then where it says number 3, now we have eighth notes. And we'll talk a little more about that later, but... And then we play that again. And then G, G, D, G. So we're going to concentrate on the beginning part of this for right now. The first 4 measures. G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G, and then B, C, D, B, C, D. Alrighty, try that out at home, and we'll continue with that in the next video. Thanks.